You have to excuse the slightly dodgy footage to start this episode. The rain has made it so dark that I can't use my usual GoPro, so I'm having to use an old iPhone. Hopefully it sounds alright. Today I am going to be heading out to JCar to get some of the electrical items to do the beginning of this week's build of the Pi train. It is eventually going to be controlled by a computer because we live in the future, but to start with it's just going to be battery powered with a switch and hopefully a little twisty knob for speed. So there's going to be the metal and then a little road trip montage and then JCar. Alright, ready? Here comes the metal. Off we go to JCar. I love JCar. These are the bits that I require. I'm going to go and buy them soon. There's all these other cool things that you can find. Who really knows what you really need? Well, this is what we got. A little pot. No idea if it's the right one. But there's such low voltage and current going through this that it doesn't matter, I don't think, hopefully. And this, now I went with a double A with an enclosed switch. Where is the switch? It's on the side. There it is, which saves me some wiring. And I already have a load of double A's rechargeables, so that's good. So the plan is just to do this to this and then to the motor, and then that in theory should control how much voltage goes to the motor and how fast it goes. So we will try that next. Trying to remember my high school electrical lessons. There's the battery pack, there's the motor, and there's the pot, and there's my cheap multimeter. And in theory, if you turn this, it's very hard to do one-handed. And we get spinning. Now, there we go. The electronics work. Here we have my new lighting rig. It's LED. And the battery fixed onto the train. I'm not using the GoPro, I'm using the iPhone again. So I basically just used 4 bits of offcut glued on there, and the motor just sits in there and it's just super glued on there, and then that's the little, it's better that way, little cog and gear in there, and then you hook the battery up like so and like so, and then it's quite noisy, quite energetic, but it works. We'll need to put the little pot on it to control the speed, and actually to show you the speed I'm going to go and put it on the track outside, although actually in video time it'll be next, but in real life it'll be tomorrow. So in 3, 2, 1, it's tomorrow. It is the next day. I have a polarization filter on the lens, so I don't know if it's going to look weird. If it does, let me know. Anyway, the little train is now on the tracks. I put a little weight on it, because plastic wheels and not much weight, I think, will cause it to skid. And yes, lovely blue skies. Let's turn the little switch on and see what happens. It moves. It's a noisy bugger. Does it go round? This is exhilarating YouTube content. It's gonna make it. It's gonna do a lap. Alright, on that note, let's cut to some other footage. Ready? Now. It is now sometime later. I have another baby. It became apparent whilst watching the little train go around outside that it was not going to be two things big enough or indeed powerful enough to pull all of the things they would need to pull to be the pie train. So I have taken the executive decision to just run that little train on batteries. So this is where this episode will end. I'm sorry to lead you all on by saying it'll be run by a computer at the start, but as things develop. So thank you for watching this episode. Like and subscribe, and as always, choo choo.